Hey fam, how's everybody doing today? Good, cause we're back with another video, you guys. You guys, I'm sorry once again. You know, making these videos is kind of hard, okay? So anyway, if you clicked onto this video, then you're ready to make some delicious corned beef brisket. Yes. So we got us some corned beef brisket at a reasonable price, you guys. Let me see if you guys can see it. Yes, at $11. Right now, this is a pretty good size. It all depends on what you want to do with the corned beef. And I also have a $7 brisket deal, right? So over here, that's what you're gonna find. So guys, if you like this, just go and get your snack and come on back. Okay fam, so first I'm gonna wash my pot out, right? Because I want to make some delicious corned beef brisket. Now, I know many might want to say, okay, it's nothing to corned beef brisket, but it is. But it is, okay? Understand me. So I'm going to set this pot aside, right? I'm going to sit that on the stove. I'm going to wash out my sink. Because I want to make this delicious corned beef. Now, the first step is we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut this corned beef brisket. Put some lukewarm water on. Now, many don't wash their corned beef brisket, but I do. Because I just feel like that's where all the salt lingers, right? Is in this juice. And a lot of people cut it right on out the pack, and baby, they be ready to just throw it into their pot. So I want to show you guys a few steps. I washed out that seasoning pack. I washed it off. Well, you could say rinse it off. But if you're a first time viewer, thank you. And if you're a long time rider, thank you as well. Now, I just want to wash this out because I got to put it in the garbage, right? So we're going to sit that aside. Let's get the other one out. There we go. Y'all, we got a little one in here. I hope she don't mess with the camera because she's a busybody. Okay, you guys, wait a minute. Let me see about her. Okay, so, yeah, I want to rinse out this pack right quick. I'm sorry about that, you guys. But if you have a little one, you understand. Now, this brisket, to me, only has a little fat, okay? And, I don't know. Some people trims it, but I don't. I just want to wash this off real good. Okay? Just like that. And we're going to put it in our pot. And I hope that my pot, which I'm going to put the smaller piece at the bottom. And put the bigger piece right here. And we're going to fill it up. And that's it. We're going to fill it up and we're going to let it boil for approximately, I'm going to say 2 hours. Now, who loves corned beef, especially on St. Patrick's Day? You guys, the little one, she's starting again. But if you can ignore that. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this on the eye. So as you guys can see, I have my brisket on. I have rinsed it. And I'm just going to add my seasoning packs. Just like so. because that's where all the flavor is, right? So if you're a first time subscriber, thank you. And if you're a long time rider, I appreciate you. And yeah, share this video out. Leave a comment below. I really appreciate it. And we're going to add us one more step in here. Now, most people don't add, well, two more steps. Most people don't add anything, but I'm just going to sprinkle me a little garlic, right? Because it's not going to hurt anything, right? Because I don't want to put any salt in it because hopefully that I rinsed that corned beef good enough. And I put a little black pepper. Just a little. It's going to give it a different taste. Do you mind? But anywho, you guys, we're going to let this cook into tender. Now, once it cook down, now if you want to do corned beef and cabbage, once it cooked down, you pull your corned beef out and you chop it up or, shred it up. But insert your cabbage in the same juices. And you can add you some seasoning as well. More seasoning than I did. But I want to keep it light because I'm going to make some corned beef sandwiches with this. But I just wanted to show you guys how to make a delicious corned beef without adding just emptying a pack over in some water. Okay? But anywho, come on back later and we're going to show you how tender this corned beef is. Okay, fam. So we have let our corned beef cook for approximately 2 hours. This is where we at. So I just want to turn it over. As you guys can see, it did a lot of shrinkage. I can't even get it out right. Let's not worry about it. But anyway, so it is fork tender. And it is pretty much there. But I'm going to let it boil for an extra hour. And then we're going to pull it out and let it rest. Okay? Because we're going to have some delicious corned beef sandwiches around here. Which I probably make it my thumbnail. But to assure you, this is the proper way to boil it. And I'm going to show you how tender I got my corned beef. That was the refrigerator. Y'all know about the little one. Okay, so guys, we are back. So we just going to go ahead and take our corned beef out. Yeah. Just like that. Yes, it is tender. Now this broth, like I say, you guys, you can always submerge your cabbage in this. And, quite naturally clean this off, But I'm not going to do any cabbage, but you guys get the gist of it. Okay? So, now, you guys, we're going to move our corned beef over this way. And we're going to let it rest for a minute. And then I'm going to cut it up. Okay, so, yeah, we're going to cut it up now. There you have it, you guys. We got some delicious corned beef ready for you guys. Check it out. Let's go in here and get us a piece. Yes. Look at the flakiness. Not salty at all. But if you enjoyed this video, here you guys, take a piece. Oh, you don't want the fat? I got it. Don't worry about it. So, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and share. And yes, go check out the other videos that I have on my channel for easy, budget-friendly meals that you can enjoy with your friends and your family. And yes, hit that subscribe button if you're not already part of the family. And if you is, like and share this video, you guys. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.